Hello. So every now and then I get a question as to what I'm doing when I'm rekeying a lock. So I thought I'd explain. These are all flat pins at this point, or called shear. Stick the incorrect key in. You see they go up and down a little bit. Now there's top pins inside of here that sit on top of these pins, which is what's barring the way in the first, second, third chamber. So I'm going to pin this to the new key. And that was nice and simple. See, now it's flat with this key. And if you stick in the old key, it's no longer flat. So that's what rekeying is I'm taking the old key out, putting in a new key, pitching all 5 corresponding pins, 5 to 6 corresponding pins, putting the new key in so that the cylinder plug can spin independently of the cylinder housing. Magic.